Today, I'm going to talk about how to use de particle. Stay tuned. What's going on, Baks and Dos? This is Taiki and welcome to ShishiGoat. And today's episode is about how to use de particle in Japanese. In this channel, I talk about Japanese, language stuff, and environmental problems on every Friday. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button to join the herd and hit that bell to stay tuned. I am aiming at 100 subscribers by the end of November, so that would be really appreciated if you could do so. Thank you. So de particle is used for various purposes. For example, at. Doing some actions at. De is for at. So I'm gonna introduce some of the examples that can be used for place. Let's see. 公園で会う。公園で会う。公園 the park. で at 会う meet. I meet at the park. We never know who because we exclude pronouns. So if we are in a situation where someone asks you, where are you going to meet your friends? And you say, I'm going to meet them at the park. That would be 公園で会う. Another example would be, I eat at the restaurant. I will eat at the restaurant. レストランで食べる. レストラン the restaurant で at 食べる eat. Okay? Also doing some actions with something. So for example, something to write with. Pen. Pen is something to write with. Write with pen. Pen で書く. Pen で書く. Okay, that's for like an action. So just one example, and another will be ハサミで切る. ハサミ scissors. で with 切る cut. I cut with scissors. You can say that to money too. So 100円で買いました. I bought it with 100 yen. 100円で買いました. Bought. Okay? So there are two more ways you can use de. One is to describe a domain. For example, country. Let's say I want to say, in my country, tapioca is popular. That would be 私の国 my country. では in タピオカが人気です。人気 popular. Another will be town, let's see. So 私の町 town, my town. ではで there お酒がお酒 alcohol が有名 famous. So in my town, alcohol is famous. In other words, it's the town is known for alcohol. The final one will be a limitation or due. So that will be finished within a week. So let's see, the homework is gonna be finished within a week. The task, whatever. 1週間 a week で within 終わります will be finished. 宿題は1週間でできます Homework will be finished within a week. で before で there should be the duration. Let me give you another example then. You will be able to go to Japan within a week. 日本に1週間で行けます You will be able to go to Japan within a week. 日本 Japan に to to 1週間で within a week 行けます can go. We exclude pronouns, so there is no you あなた In the next video, I'm going to describe ni particle in Japanese because that's where many learners will get mixed up. Some people will use de instead of ni because ni is also a particle that is indicating a place, right? Ni can be used for at too. I'm going to describe that in the next video, and if you want to check some of the other particles like wa and ga particles as well, here is a playlist for Japanese language. You can definitely check them out, and thank you so much for watching until the end. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join the herd and hit that bell. Stay tuned, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until next time.